All right, boys and girls, we're going to do the missing addend on this paper. So the way that we can do that is by drawing dots for the whole. So this first problem, the whole is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I want you to cross out the number of the part that you do know, which is 3. So how many dots are left? Good, it's 4. So the missing addend is 4. Okay. So let's look at something plus 2 equals 4. If I draw 4 dots and then I cross off the missing addend I know, there's 2 left, which means the other addend is 2. Okay, this one's a little bit hard. It's 9 is the whole, so let's draw 9. And then I want you to count 6 and cross them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then how many dots are left? Yeah, there's 3. Good. So the missing addend is 3. On this next one, let's draw 6 because that's the whole. And if I just cross off 1, how many does that leave? 5. Good job. On this one, I'm going to draw 5 dots. There's 5. And this addend is 4, so I'm going to cross off 4 of them. And how many dots does that leave? Just 1. Good. Boys and girls, I want you to look at something plus 0 equals 3 and think of our addition strategies. If it's plus 0, the number what? Yeah, it just stays the same. Good. So on this next one, it's something plus 7 is 9. So we can draw 9 dots, and then I can cross off 7 of them. So 3, 6, 7. How many are left? 2. Very good. And the last one that we'll do together is 8. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to cross off 3 because that's the first addend. And how many are left? 5. Good. Go ahead and do the second side on your own and see if you can find those missing addends. And then when you are done, push play and we'll do the back side. All right, team, here's the back side. We're going to be adding plus 3, which we've been practicing. So we just do the 3 dots or 3 hops on your number line. So 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 9. Good. Here we go. 9, 10, 11, 12. The answer is 12. The next one is 1 plus 3. That's just the next on the number line, which is 4. 3 plus 3 is doubles, so that's 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. This one's a 10, friend. Wow, look at all those. Good. Let me do one more row with you. 10, 11, 12, 13. 8, 9, 10, 11. 0 plus 3 just stays the same. 9 plus 3, we go 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. Finish this side and then raise your hand for your teacher to check it. Good job.